Okay, so let's see if it shows up on the audio recording. But when you drive the Accord, it has a crunching sound. A lot of times at slow speeds when it's shifting, and sometimes when it's braking. So we'll put it in gear. Probably won't do it at all, but it has been doing it at all. It did it just there. Did it just there. Did it right there. Hear that pop? And I could feel it through the floor on the driver's side. It was definitely on the driver's side. So okay, it sort of did it. So you did it right there. And you can feel it too. I've checked the tie rods. I even replaced the driver's side tie rods because they were loose. But both sides now are tight. It's not the tie rods that I can tell. It does it when it's shifting a lot, sometimes braking, but like a pop, and you can feel it also in your seat and kind of in the floor. See, it didn't do it there when it was shifting. It's not all the time, but it's on a regular basis. And it sort of did it there. And it did it when it went over the speed bump, which I think it might be also, I don't know, like part of the suspension, like the bushing on the stabilizer bar, not the stabilizer bar, but the front bar that goes from the, see, it did it right there and it wasn't even moving. I'm just sitting there and it went pop. Okay, hopefully that was clear.